complicated. Maybe this love thing's overrated. My feet in the sand, my face in my hands. I know it's my fault cause I never make plans. And now you're telling me you love me, but she don't even know me. I'm down to hang, but if you're following me slowly, yeah. Cause I've been thinking lately, if I take my time, try to get it right, I could say.
Hi guys, welcome back to another highly requested haul video. Now I usually start off my haul videos with like a formal sit down setup, but I thought I should change it up a little bit. I wanted to try something different. So I thought why not do like a vlog style video where I walk you guys through my morning skincare routine, get ready and then jump into the haul. You guys let me know in the comments down below if this is something you'd like or I should stick to my regular haul format. By the way guys, I've been making this really nice iced coffee from the past couple of days. It's super refreshing, has very little milk and it's really tasty. So I might show you guys how I make it in my next vlog, so stay tuned for that. But for now, let's get inside, get into the morning routine and start the haul. So my morning skincare routine currently usually involves my Dermat recommended face wash. Then I have a moisturizer and then I also use a serum called Litmousy. What I've actually been trying to do these days is use a face scrub once a month. Now my mom is a huge fan of Kama Ayurveda products and she recommended that I try this one out. This is the Kumkumadi Brightening Ayurvedic Face Scrub and it's got walnut powder, almonds, Kumkumadi oil and saffron. I use this once a week, otherwise I use my face wash on a regular basis, but I've been using this once a week. It also comes with a spatula so you can just scoop out a little bit and use it on your face. So I have just wet my face and what you have to do is use a little bit on your face in circular motions and apply it for like 2 to 3 minutes. Just avoid the eye area. It really brightens and smoothens your skin. Plus it is super moisturizing because of all the Ayurvedic ingredients that it has. It's not harsh on your skin at all, which is the best part about this scrub. Also, in case you guys are wondering what's the use of a face scrub in your skincare routine or why you should put it in your skincare routine, the major benefit is that it removes all the old and dead skin cells. Plus it really exfoliates your skin, which helps it even the skin tone. It makes it brighter, smoother, and any other products that you use on your skin, it helps it penetrate all of that better into your skin. So this serum that I just showed you guys, it really helps it absorb way better into my skin. By the way, this scrub is actually clinically proven to reduce pores and firm your skin as well. In case you guys are interested in picking this scrub up, it's super moisturizing. I'm going to link it in the description box for you guys. Now I'm just going to finish it off with my serum. I usually don't apply a moisturizer when I don't feel like I need it, and right now my skin does feel moisturized, so I'm going to skip the moisturizer and just going to apply the serum all over my skin. Now I'm quickly gonna get changed, get out of the night suit, put on some light makeup and get on with the haul. And in case you guys are wondering what happened right here, I was getting threaded and my skin has just become really sensitive, so this ended up happening. But let's get started with the haul. So I personally don't wear a lot of kurtas, to be very honest, but I know a lot of you are college going or office going and a lot of you actually keep requesting me to do a kurta haul. I think the last one that I did was like last year in November or something, but a lot of you guys liked it, so here is another one. And if you're going on a shopping spree really soon, this video actually might be helpful for you. So starting off with the first one, I have this kurta from Tavi. This is like your regular half sleeves with some tassels over here, and it's got a keyhole neck. Otherwise it's like a round keyhole neck, and the quality is actually really good. Tavi in fact has all hand woven fabric. I think this design is called Ikat if I'm not wrong. It's an Indonesian print of fabric and it looks really nice. It's an orange bright color, perfect for summers as well. You can either pair it up with leggings or like white flared pants or off-white or beige flared palazzo pants. It'll look really nice. It's great for college and office as well. In fact, all the kurtas that I'll be showing you up perfect for both college and office. Plus all the prices will be on the screen and all the links will be in the description box along with some alternatives, because I know by the time this video comes out a few of these might go out of stock, but nevertheless I am going to give you guys alternatives to these. Moving on to the next kurta. This one is also from Tavi. In fact, Tavi is a great brand if you are looking for Indian wear stuff. This is also a very casual kurta. It's white, it's got 3/4 sleeves, and if you don't like the keyhole neck that I showed you earlier in that kurta, this is like a regular neck with buttons, which makes it a pretty regular your go-to kurta. It's got these stripes at the bottom. You can wear these with jeans, leggings and plazos as well. Moving on to the third kurta. This one is from a brand called Amukti, and again the size is all small. This is a slightly longer kurta and it's got a blue, like bluish grayish with some green floral print on it. This would look great with cigarette pants. I think cigarette pants look really nice and smart, so you can pair it either with leggings or cigarette pants as well. And it's got a mandarin collar. I'm not a big fan of mandarin collars. I just feel like they don't suit me as much, but if you are, this would be a great choice for you. The quality is pretty good. It's cotton, so super nice, super comfortable for summers as well. So before I move on to the next couple of kurtas, I want to tell you guys that most of these kurtas, in fact all of them, were at a great discounted price on Myntra. They always have some sale going on. So in case you guys do want to pick this up, or if this is not available, if you do just generally want to shop for Indian wear, Myntra is a great place to do that because they always have some sale going on, and you will find some alternative links to all of these in the description box for you guys. And I will obviously be already mentioning the MRP along with the price that I got these on as well on the screen. So moving on, the next kurta is from Libas. It's actually a kurta set, and I think someone who shops quite a lot for Indian wear would know Libas as a brand really well. It comes with a kurta, a pair of palazzo pants. These are actually straight pants, these are not palazzos, and it comes with the dupatta as well. And I think I got this for 2000 rupees after discount, which I think was a great price, because otherwise you end up spending anyway that much amount to get a matching dupatta and then get a matching like palazzo or pants or something like that. So I think it's a pretty good deal. For 2000 bucks you're getting that entire set, and it's also very comfortable. I really like the print. It is sort of transparent, so you will have to wear nude lingerie under it, but otherwise it's cotton, very good for summers. Moving on to the second last kurta that I got, and this one was from the brand called Imara. Like the minute I saw it, I really liked the turquoise color. The print is so subtle and so pretty as well, so I knew I had to pick this up. This has your regular round neck with 3/4 sleeves, will look great with leggings, even grey colored jeans, or even plazzos. It'll look really nice. The material is cotton and a mix of polyester maybe, but it'll be great for work from home meetings or just college as well. Now the last kurta that I picked up was from Max, and again this was in the size small. I loved the color. I have a thing for pink, so I had to pick this up in pink, but it is available in several other colors as well. I think there's a grey and I think there's a green as well, and the print was also like really subtle and pretty, and given the MRP I think it's a pretty good buy. I would highly recommend it. The MRP is only for like 499 rupees, so it's a great buy. However, the material is polyester, so if you sort of don't like that material or you find it a little irritating to your skin, I tell you to stay away from it, but otherwise if you're comfortable, this would be a great purchase. So this wraps up the haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to tell me in the comments down below if you guys like my regular haul format where I just jump right into the haul, or if you liked a little bit of morning skincare routine, a little bit of vlog in the beginning of the video. Do let me know in the comments down below. And of course, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe button. If you like any of these kurtas, you will find all the links in the description box for you guys, along with the sizes, prices and all of that. So that's it for now. I'm going to sign off, and I hope you guys are staying home, staying safe, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Get my thoughts all aligned, so that our love intertwined.